Alright, so to download Nightshark, you can go to nightshark.io. And here on the home page, you will see a free download button. You can click on that and the download will start. So in the meantime, let's go ahead and sign up for our account. I'm putting my emails here. And then it's going to ask you for more details. And before signing up, make sure you agree with the terms and conditions and click on that check mark and continue. And after that, you will get a verification email. And then let's go ahead and copy and paste this code. And sign up. So this will let you to the main dashboard. So in the meantime, let's go ahead with our downloaded file. So here you'll see the download folder. You have to extract it. And after extracting, you will see Nightshark application. So when you first time open it, you might see a pop-up with unknown publisher. You can just continue with anyway. And let's go ahead and put our email that we just signed up. Make sure you click on remember me so that you don't have to type in password every time. So here on the main menu, let's go ahead and quick test if everything runs smooth on your system. So I'm going to click on add area and start drawing. So after you release the drag button, you should be able to adjust the areas. And let's just put it over this text application. I'm going to click a run. And here next to the cursor, you should be able to see the text that Nightshark's been reading. So if you pass this test, congratulations, everything runs smooth. So here on the code part, you can just zoom in, zoom out, and this is the actual code that's been running when we test it out. And that's it. So for the daily limit part, you can click on upgrade, and we have a promotion going on, and for which you can get unlimited runtime. And after you log in, you can head out to your account section, and from there on you can click on subscribe, and this will lead you to a checkout page. And here you can put in your promotion code, which will be posted in our home menu depending on time, and you can apply that code on the promotion and apply, and from this you will get a $30 off, which covers the first month, and you can actually go ahead with the payment. So after you complete the payment, make sure you restart and re-log in onto the Nightshark, and you should be able to see the unlimited runtime. So if you have any other questions, we have live chat support in our webpage, so you can definitely use that to reach out to us, or you can also email us for any questions. Thank you.